Another lesson has been learned amidst these modern times. Strangers in the midst appear. Now there's war all the time. Systematically gonna destroy, commit another atrocity. Aggressors are in their places, man-made catastrophe. I'm not looking for a fight now, and I don't care who's wrong or right now. So release the dove into fly now, so we can start right now, we can start right now. A smart kid open the door, across the border to a new land. And in the new land the sandstorm roars, on the spell and the ghost of a man. Back of many warriors they stay, the press falling upon dead ears. Machiavelli on our shield now, and a seal in the mask and a puppeteer. I'm not looking for a fight now, and I don't care who's wrong or right now. So release the door, we can fly now, so we can start right now, we can start right now. I'm not looking for a fight now, and I don't care who's wrong or right now. So release the door, we can fly now, so we can start right now, we can start right now. A million heads, no blade is case in a big game chest for us all. Hostility explodes in the mess, now you all got blood all over the wall. Clarity turns to dark, blindfolded prisoners of war. Solidarity on a raging stage. Boy, what? You're a big puncher now, right? Yeah. Huh. Nah, I don't fucking think so.
Go, Emma, go.